Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the receiver and the handheld or belt pack transmitter. Make sure batteries are fresh or the internal pack is charged. Low power causes failed sync. On the receiver, choose the RF band and pick a clear channel. Once done, set the receiver to ready or sync mode. Keep the transmitter close, generally 1 to 3 meters, so the IR or wireless link can establish. Do this now, and you'll avoid common connection errors later. Next, you initiate the sync. On the receiver, press the sync button or select sync from the menu and confirm the method, IR versus RF, depending on your model. If using IR, align the transmitter and receiver IR windows closely. If using RF, place them within recommended range. Press the transmitter's sync or accept button when prompted. Then, watch the LEDs and screen messages. They'll indicate pairing in progress and confirm when parameters like frequency and group are copied. Make sure not to move equipment. Finally, verify the system by speaking into the mic and checking levels on both transmitter and receiver. Set gain to avoid clipping. Once stable, lock settings if available. If you get no audio, rerun the sync, check battery voltage, reset antenna connections, and confirm mute is off. If interference appears, perform a channel scan or pick a different frequency and repeat sync. One key troubleshooting tip. Low batteries mimic link failure. Always swap in known good batteries before extended use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.